Welcome to my YouTube channel Select Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe. In this video, we are going to present you wooden wall shelves and hangings. So hang tight and watch full video. Wooden wall shelves and hangings are versatile and timeless pieces of decor that can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any room while providing functional storage solutions. From rustic charm to contemporary elegance, wooden wall shelves and hangings come in various styles, shapes, and sizes to suit diverse interior design preferences. Timeless elegance of wooden wall shelves. Wooden wall shelves exude warmth and sophistication, adding a touch of timeless elegance to any space. Crafted from high-quality wood such as oak, maple, walnut, or pine, these shelves boast durability and natural beauty that can withstand the test of time. Rustic charm. For a cozy and inviting atmosphere, opt for rustic wooden wall shelves featuring distressed finishes or natural imperfections. These shelves add character and warmth to farmhouse-inspired interiors, creating a charming focal point in living rooms, kitchens, or bedrooms. Sleek and modern. In contemporary spaces, sleek and minimalist wooden wall shelves offer a sleek alternative to traditional designs. Clean lines and simple silhouettes complement modern decor, providing a stylish platform to display decorative accents, books, or personal treasures. Customizable options. Wooden wall shelves come in a variety of shapes and configurations, allowing for customization to suit individual needs and preferences. From floating shelves to corner shelves and ladder-style shelving units, there are endless possibilities to organize and showcase your belongings with style. Functional versatility. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, wooden wall shelves and hangings serve a practical purpose by maximizing vertical space and providing additional storage solutions. Organization and display. Wooden shelves offer a convenient way to organize and display a wide range of items, including books, photo frames, potted plants, and decorative accessories. By keeping clutter at bay and showcasing your favorite pieces, shelves become functional decor elements that enhance the overall look and feel of a room. Space optimization. In small or cramped spaces, wall-mounted shelves help optimize floor space while adding vertical storage options. Whether in a compact apartment or a cozy bedroom, installing wooden shelves allows you to make the most of limited square footage without sacrificing style or functionality. Multi-purpose design. Wooden wall shelves can serve multiple purposes beyond storage and display. Incorporating hooks, pegs, or built-in drawers adds versatility, allowing shelves to double as coat racks, key holders, or even small workstations in home offices or entryways. Styling tips and inspiration. When styling wooden wall shelves and hangings, consider the following tips to create visually appealing displays that reflect your personal taste and aesthetic preferences. Balance and symmetry. Achieve visual harmony by arranging items in a balanced and symmetrical manner. Mix and match different shapes, sizes, and textures to create visual interest while maintaining a cohesive look. Layering and depth. Create depth and dimension by layering items on the shelves. Combine decorative accents with functional pieces to strike a balance between style and utility, ensuring that each shelf tells a cohesive story. Color coordination. Coordinate the color palette of your decor items to create a cohesive look. Choose complementary colors or stick to a monochromatic scheme for a polished and unified aesthetic. Seasonal rotation. Refresh your shelf displays seasonally to reflect changing tastes and trends. Incorporate seasonal accents such as holiday decorations, fresh flowers, or seasonal textiles to infuse your space with seasonal charm and personality. Wooden wall shelves and hangings hold a special place in interior design due to their ability to seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetic appeal. Let's delve deeper into the myriad benefits and design possibilities of these versatile decor elements. Sustainable and eco-friendly. One of the standout features of wooden wall shelves and hangings is their eco-friendliness and sustainability. Wood is a renewable resource, making it an environmentally responsible choice for home decor. Opting for wooden shelves crafted from sustainably sourced materials ensures that your design choices have minimal impact on the environment while promoting a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Warmth and texture. In summary, wooden wall shelves and hangings are more than just practical storage solutions. They are design statements that infuse spaces with warmth, character, and personality. of any room while enhancing functionality and organization. If you like this video, please like and share this video.